Hello. It's nice to see you again. For today's lesson, we will learn about the predicate in a sentence. Let's begin. Which of the following groups of words is a sentence? A. Under the bed. B. Joy eats a chocolate bar. C. The class president and vice president. It's letter B. Joy eats a chocolate bar. Now, the question is, how can you tell if a group of words is a sentence? Let's find out. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. You can tell that a group of words is a sentence if it begins with a capital letter, it ends with a punctuation mark, and it contains a subject and a predicate. Let's analyze the given group of words a while ago. Letter A isn't a sentence because it doesn't begin with a capital letter. It doesn't end with a punctuation mark. And it doesn't have a complete thought. Letter C is not a sentence because it doesn't end with a punctuation mark. It doesn't have a complete thought. There's only a subject, but there's no predicate. You don't know what they are doing. Letter B is a sentence because it begins with a capital letter. It ends with a punctuation mark. It has a complete thought because it has a subject and a predicate. Chocolate bar is a direct object. Direct object receives the action of the verb. You can learn more about direct object with the link provided in the description box. More examples. Now, let's talk about one of the main parts of a sentence, which is the predicate. The predicate tells what the subject does. The child hit under the table. What did the child do? Hid under the table. The predicate states something about the subject. The weather is nice. What is stated about the weather? It is nice. The predicate contains a verb or a verb phrase. A verb phrase is a group of words that includes a main verb and any helping or auxiliary verbs. The fluffy cat sleeps on a mat. What is the verb here? Sleeps. They are playing badminton. What is the verb phrase here? Are playing. Now, let's talk about the simple predicate, complete predicate, and compound predicate. A simple predicate contains only the verb or the verb phrase of the sentence. The giraffe's long neck can reach more than 7 feet in length. What is the simple predicate? Can reach. A complete predicate includes all the words that tell something about the subject. What is the complete predicate in this sentence? can reach more than 7 feet in length. More examples of simple and complete predicate. An early form of the bicycle was invented in France in 1690. What is the simple predicate? Was invented. How about the complete predicate? Was invented in France in 1690. The huge, green, slimy alien waved to us from his spaceship. What is the simple predicate? Waved. How about the complete predicate? Waved to us from his spaceship. Now, can you tell the simple and complete predicate in this example? The simple predicate is, and the complete predicate is my uncle. A compound predicate has two or more verbs or verb phrases connected by a conjunction. Mike and Sheila sing and dance together. How many verbs are there? There are two verbs. Sing and dance. So this sentence has a compound predicate. More examples of compound predicate. Now, can you tell the compound predicate in this sentence? Sat and waited. Are you ready for a short quiz? You'll just underline the complete predicate in each sentence. And then, identify if the predicate is simple or compound. Here are the answers. Number 1 is simple predicate. Number 2 is simple predicate. Number 3 is compound predicate. Number 4 is simple predicate. And number 5 is compound predicate. Did you get all the correct answers? Congratulations! You can now identify the predicate in a sentence. See you in our next lesson. Thank you for watching. Kindly support my channel by clicking the like button, sharing this video to your friends, and subscribing to my channel.